Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. This week we're going to start with blending just like we always have, but one thing I want you to be mindful of is that last week we only had like maybe 2 challenge words each day. This week we're going to have several. So I'm not going to necessarily call them challenge words and save them till the end. They're kind of mixed in. So these are going to have 4 sounds in the word. I'm going to say each sound, you're going to repeat the sounds, and then we're going to blend the word together. Here we go. I, t. White. Ch, I, z. Chimes. Ch, e, z. Cheese. Ch, e, st. Chest. Sh, e, l, z. Shells. A, m. Wham. V, a. They. D. Thud. Excuse me. B, r, sh. Brush. Excuse me, goodness. All right, let's get ready to punch out our ending sounds. You all did an excellent job last week saying the first part of the word. So if the word was smooth, you said smooth, and punching out just that last ending digraph sound. The word is pinch. Pinch. The word is north. North. The word is crash. Crash. The word is worth. Worth. The word is reach. Reach. The word is patch. Patch. The word is wreath. Wreath. The word is match. Match. And the last word is dish. Dish. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop it into its individual phonemes. Remember, some of these have 3 and some of these have 4, and it looks like we even have one that has 5 separate phonemes. Wheels. E, l, z. Shine. Sh, I, n. Thread. R, e, d. Which. I, ch. Cheeks. Ch, e, k, s. Teeth. T, e, f. Flash. Ash. Branch. B, r, a, n, ch. Crash. K, r, a, sh. Fifth. I, good job. A little bit trickier now, right? Okay, now we're going to do phoneme substitution. So we're going to start with our fists like this. I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is chick. Change ch to th. Thick. The word is wheat. Change w to sh. Sheet. The word is chin. Change ch to th. Thin. The word is chop. Change ch to sh. Shop. The word is share. Change sh to th. There. The word is chore. Change ch to sh. Shore. Good work. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and we'll add the beginning sound, put them together to make a new word. The word is ick. Add ch to the beginning. Chick. The word is airy. Add ch to the beginning. Cherry. The word is red. Add sh to the beginning. Shred. The word is eat. Add ch to the beginning. Cheat. The word is rub. Add sh to the beginning. Shrub. The word is under. Add th to the beginning. Thunder. Good work. Last exercise, deleting phonemes. So we're going to start with our word, and then we're going to remove the beginning sound. The word is whiz. Without wh, the word is. The word is shade. Without sh, the word is aid. The word is chase. Without ch, the word is ace. The word is these. Without th, the word is ease. The word is shore. Without sh, the word is or. The word is shark. Without sh, the word is ark. Good job.